This is Richard. This is Richard, and we're in the back way of Walmart. It's our little adventure. And this is Junior. You can't really see him because it's dark.
Wait.
Oh, we gotta stop. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah, I taught him that.
He didn't get a ticket. Can I help you?
This is his verse. Nobody can see you because it's dark. We need to get in the light.
Well, we are in Lakewood, so I guess I'm like.
I only see the white shirt you're wearing and your cheeks. Maybe your eyeball. You look scary.
Oh, you can see me now? No, look at you.
Oh, wait, you can't see him. He's too dark.
He's like, that's my shadow.
Look at the big semi-truck.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, you swear like that was a real noise. What a dipshit. She got all scared like it was a real noise.
And like a second later, she's like, oh, she's like,
okay, she's like,
you almost dropped my camera.
They got the strap on.
Ooh, we can see you. We can see you. What is it? Oh, don't scare me. I have boots on it. Boots. My sway boots. What?
Little feet boots.